Welcome back to, I believe we're on day 9 for this 31-day video challenge here in the month of July. You guys ever have one of those road trips and you just think, yeah, this is what I want to do, and like it kind of pushes you to do more? Well, on today's episode, I'm going to talk about what road trip that was for me that made me want to create content and share my experiences with everyone. But let's get into it. And you guys probably noticed I'm riding in shorts. I don't normally ride in shorts, but it's pretty hot out and I just got done doing some stuff outside and I want to cool off. My very first trip that I ended up taking, I ended up going down to North Carolina to go visit my dad. And that was my first solo trip. I was very nervous on that one, just because I was 100 miles away from my wife and kids, and I was going to be out there all alone, and I was somewhat of a fairly new rider. But, you know, I had to sack up and get over that real quick. If you guys want to check that video out, I will link it up somewhere up here. Not really sure where it's going to be. But yeah, I just got to make a quick little trip into town. Figured, why not make a video for you guys? I got to go pick up some stuff for dinner. But anyway, with my dad being down in North Carolina, I decided, well, since I'm going to be down there, you know, I've always wanted to go do the Tail of the Dragon ever since I started riding, and it was pretty much on the way going down there, so it all worked out. So I left really early in the morning. I think it was like 3 o'clock in the morning, and I did that all in one day. Went through Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, and then down into North Carolina. Went through a little bit of rain, nothing too crazy, just in Tennessee. And then just the scenery as I got into North Carolina by Deals Gap, Tail of the Dragon, like, it was just incredible. You know, I wish I would have saved some of the footage, but I was running out of space on my laptop and my hard drive, my external hard drive, so I had to start deleting stuff, and unfortunately that's some of the stuff that was on there, so I could go back and clip in some stuff. That was my first unofficial Iron Butt challenge. I didn't document any of it. I wish I would have, but it's alright. I ended up getting the Iron Butt. I'm still waiting on my certs from that trip when I went out to South Dakota, but I'll get into that another day. But here in Michigan, unless I go far up north from what I'm told, up in the UP, we don't really have mountains and stuff down in the lower peninsula. I mean, we got sand dunes and a lot of water. But, you know, being my first time out there on the Tail of the Dragon, and like I said, fairly new to riding, you know, I took my time on it. I wasn't going up there to race up and down the hill. I was just trying to take it all in and experiencing other parts of the United States that I haven't done up until I got this bike. And I tell you what, it is the greatest investment that I probably ever made, just because I get to share my experiences with you, my family, and you know, it's only going to keep going from here. But that one trip is what started it all. I've been to so many places, and I can't wait till I can get out there and explore more. So I'm gonna run inside real quick and get what I need, and then get back home and start working on dinner. Having tacos tonight. That'll be good. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Alright, let's get home and get these kids fed. And for those of you that have been following along so far, my apologies that the scenery isn't too great, other than a couple of videos. Just been kind of riding around locally. I was just telling my wife that I need to mix it up a little bit. A few of these days, you know, I'm gonna end up going out to the city. Like I said, I just need some different scenery while I'm riding around. But yeah, that North Carolina, it changed everything. It put everything into perspective. Like, I want to get out and see the United States, take this thing cross country, and you know, that's what I've been doing. I've been to Milwaukee, Chicago. I've been up to the UP for the very first time. I rode around Lake Michigan. I've been to Wisconsin, Iowa, Nebraska, South Dakota, West Virginia, Wyoming, and that was only possible because of this bike and my wife for allowing me to go and do these kinds of things. But if you're new here and you want to support me, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. You know, if you're already a subscriber and you're watching this challenge that I'm doing, you know, thanks for tuning back in. You know, yesterday's video, I went and I changed my primary transmission and my oil. It's shifting a lot better, a lot smoother. Let me know down in the comments if you guys do this, if you guys like to travel. What was that one ride that changed everything for you? Let's get a conversation going. You know, I will respond to every comment. I could be an asshole, but I'm not that much of a prick. You know, I just like to hear other people's experiences. But I'm gonna get home, make the kids some food, and get my butt working on this video so I can get it out to you guys. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you guys go hit that like and subscribe. Peace.